Hello, you dirty hippies. It's me, Death. I control the dye. Today I have teamed up with Space Case to teach you an amazing tie-dye technique. We will be showing you the bullseye tie-dye pattern. It consists of circles getting gradually larger from the starting point. Kind of like an apple. Austin, tell the people what materials they will need to make this shirt. A white shirt. Bucket of water. Rubber bands or string. Dye colors. A plastic bag. And don't forget about the most important thing. You need me, Death, controller of the dye. The first thing we will do is take our shirt and pre-soak in a soda ash solution. If you don't have soda ash, regular water will work just fine. Soak the shirt and then squeeze out any excess water. Place the shirt on a flat surface and iron out any kinks. To get the bullseye pattern, grab the center of your shirt with 2 fingers and pinch. Lift the shirt up from this pinched cloth and now we can add rubber bands to section off our bullseye. Add as many bands as you want. Austin will do enough for the rainbow. Once the shirt is sectioned off, we can start to add dye. Be sure to add more dye than usual to this pattern. If you don't use enough dye, this pattern can turn up with a lot of white space. Continue this process with the rest of your colors. Flip the shirt over and line up all of your colors with the front side. Once the shirt is dyed, we will place it in an airtight bag and let it sit for 8 hours. Let's make a few more shirts. One with warm summer colors. And how about one more rainbow? Now we can't wait 8 hours hoping that our shirts will look perfect. The anticipation is killing me. To pass that 8 hours, you will go to youtube.com and watch Austin Robinson art videos. You will subscribe and you will tell all your friends how magnificent Austin is. Oh geez, it's been 8 hours. Time is an illusion. Grab your shirt and head to a sink, tub, or hose. Begin washing out all of the dye from your shirt. Rinse until excess dye no longer drains from the shirt. Now we are ready for washing and drying. While we wait, you will go to youtube.com and watch more of Austin Robinson. Only choosy moms choose Space Case. Subscribe to the Subliminal Message King. The dryer is done. Let's go check out our brand new shirt. Oh dear, look at that, it's so perfect. So colorful, so round. You are in love. You will show everyone your new shirt. They will worship you. Let's see the other shirts. Incredible. It brings tears to my eyes. Thank you all so much for watching. As always, please like the video and share with your friends. Subscribe to the channel for more amazing art videos, and remember, I am Death. He is Space Case. I control the dye. He controls the minds. Together forever, we will rule all.